Hey guys, Mongo here. Quick update on Bitcoin and the overall market. As I called, this yellow line down here was the breakout. Actually, up here, excuse me. This is the breakout from the bull flag. So, broke out like I expected a little earlier. Asia pushed it up over Saturday and Sunday into Monday. And then London finished it off before we have New York handoff coming in soon. So I wanted to give you a quick update what I'm looking at. So if you missed the long like I did, I was kind of asleep and I took most of the weekend off, which was kind of nice. You don't need to catch every single move. This is why you have spot bags to accumulate and let them appreciate in value. So that's the number one rule of trading is don't try to trade every single move. You want to trade all the big ones. This was a big one, but this one also really wasn't as laid out as you would have expected. It didn't go as deep as I wanted to. It did tap my box twice, but I wanted lower, so it missed any of my limit orders. So what I'm laying out here on the 1 minute is just to show you the levels I'm watching. So I'm looking for a pullback, start a range here. Somewhere between this order block here around 71.1 down to like 70,800. The 618 comes in there as well. And then a back test of the actual breakout of this bull flag. The top of that trend line is 70,339. Based on how you draw it, but that's what I'm looking for. Long opportunities in these areas with bullish divergences on the market side for B plus money flow. We're about 30 minutes away from New York Open, so I want to see what New York does with this. I'd like to see a flash dip. I kind of give you that Wyckoff spring effect in the local mini time frames, and then New York may push this. While I have this up, I'm going to show you this one too. This is my trading light chart. This shows the limit orders for buys and sells. We've got a ton above us in terms of sell walls. So you've got one sitting at 73,000, the next one sitting at 73.5. So you're looking for rejections at these points, or they're just going to push right through it. So a lot of times these things can get pulled away, but at the same time, if it's a massive move, it's just going to blow right through these things like hot butter, and I'll show you in a second how big these orders are. Next one's at 74,000. There's a little one here I'm not even going to mention. 74, so pretty much 75, 75.1, and then up here at 75.8, and then 76. Let's pull up even higher. We got one up here at 80,000, and then, yeah, we're not looking above that. But my bull flag breakout target is 93,000, which I'll show in a second. But these guys are 200, this is Binance only. This does not include all the rest of the exchanges. 200 plus, 22 or 23 leveraged exchanges and centralized exchanges combined. This is just Binance. I use this one as a reference point for the fact that it's the largest in the world. So currently just at each level here, 73, you got 258. Up here at 73.5, you got 132. So again, once you get above that 200 mark, 75 has 400 Bitcoin, combined about 500. That can get chewed up very fast with a nice, strong ETF push, especially if they come in buying a couple $100 million worth during a 24-hour period. So pay attention, look for a range to form. That's kind of what I'm watching currently. Let's pull back up Bitcoin. Let's zoom out to the 4-hour for you. Auto. Let's get rid of some of my junk here. And let's turn this off so you guys can see what I'm talking about without switching charts. There we go. And get rid of that. So, yeah, this is it. The target's up here at 93,000 for, so basically 93.5. Blow through 75. There's nothing in terms of order blocks currently, in terms of sell walls to kind of hold us back. This is really, really bullish W pattern, so I do expect a push at some point today. So, nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me with a Crypto Blackwall on Twitter and the Blocker at Discord. Thanks.